Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locating the DHL tracking number on your label or email. Keep it visible. Once done, open the DHL website or app and find the tracking field. Paste or type the number exactly, including letters and digits. Make sure to pick the correct country site if prompted, because results can differ by region. Then press Track. This sends a query to DHL systems. You'll see an initial status almost immediately. Note the timestamp and service type so you know what to expect next. You now examine the event list that appears. Each scan tells the story of the parcel. Once done, read timestamps and locations from newest to oldest to understand current position and movement pace. Make sure to expand any notes labeled Exception or Customs, because those explain delays and required actions. If the service type shows delivery attempts, note the local time zone. Also, compare estimated delivery windows with actual scans to set realistic expectations, and decide if you should contact DHL. You finish by confirming delivery details and taking action if something went wrong. If the item shows exception or no movement for 24-48 hours, call DHL or use chat. Provide the tracking number and recent event details. Make sure to request a proof of delivery image or signature if you need confirmation. This helps claims. If address errors appear, request a reroute or hold for pickup. One troubleshooting tip: when scans stop, verify local customs processing and cross-check with the sender before filing a claim.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.